Welcome to Australia's Coin Sport Challenge. Today we're serving up an epic match of Coin Volleyball. Team Red taking on Team Blue. We'll run you through these rules of Coin Volleyball as we play. Our competitors are looking amped up and ready to go. First, draw a line down the middle of the table on a piece of paper and set up 2 bottle caps. Flip a coin to determine who serves first. The serving player hits the coin across the table and past the defender to score. A good defense is key, so use your bottle cap to stop any volleys you can. Oh, so close. Beautiful recovery. Oh, bit of sand on Blue's face after that one. Oh, and the effortless block by Red to really rub it in. The game's over when one player makes it to 11 points and wins by more than 2. And that's the game. Life's a beach for Red as they take the game 11-8. Now it's your turn for ultimate sports glory.